everything is done online, and financial markets are not far behind. Do you want to trade online? Do you want to make money at the comfort of your home? Well, foreign exchange, popularly known as forex, involves trading of currency pairs. For example, you are hoping that the value of naira will increase relative to US dollars. Can that even be possible? You could guess wrong, and the trade could move against you, leading to losing a lot of money. Or you could guess right and you make a lot of money. Anyway, I want to give you a solution that can help you in minimizing the risk of losing a lot of money today. Because I don't want you to stress it out. What if I tell you there is a way out to minimize your risk? You could copy master traders and make money trading with excessive reduction in associated risk of your trading. Here is the website of Forex-trading. So to get here, all you need to do is on your browser, just press octafx.com and you will be here. Now the website is very good for either you are a master trader or you are an upcoming beginner who knows nothing about trading online. Now what you need to do on the website is if you don't know anything about about trading online, all you have to do is just go to copy trading, and the better part of it is that you can also trade on your mobile phone. That is you can get the app on Google Play Store and install the app and copy someone else on the app. But to do it on your system or whatever, just click on join copy traders. Join copy trading. Then they will give you a browser. You will put all your details, your mail and all that, so that you can create an account for you, a free account for you on the trading. So on the platform, there are several users there which are rated as an expert, high achievers and all that. Down. So all you have to do is just look at the statistics over it and look at who should I copy. So by, let me say, these are pip makers. You can either you can look into the trading, the equity, the commissions. Is going for the commission of whatever you gain from your where the person you copied. The minimum investment is $35, and you can follow link and okay, good. So as you can see, this person says the minimum investment that is you can invest to this person is $35, and then as you can see the charts, it's really good. That means it's very good, and seriously he incurs some losses here and gain. He gains too, and these are things you need to look at when you copy someone. You have to look at the loss and the gain. As you can see, this person loses $11, $10, $3, or $7. So this kind of person, you might decide to copy this person and maybe copy another person. So let's look at the copier area. So so you go to the master trader rating. So this is another person, Ujay. So as you can see, just loading. So Ujay say minimum investment is $250, and all you have to do is look at the statistics. This person only lost $9, and he has gained a lot, withdraw money as well. So what you have to do here is start copying the person. Okay, so it will require you to deposit. You can deposit via your Bitcoin, your Skrill accounts, Netella, or your local bank account. Okay, so you deposit the money, then you click on start copying, and you'll be copying the master trader. So what I'm basically saying is that instead of you going around trying to figure out the complication behind trading online, you can easily come here and look into ways at which a master trader, a veteran trader that has been trading for many years, trades, and you can copy the way they trade and invest your money and get return on get back excess of money they've been trading with. That's a low battery mind. So basically what you have to do here is just copy a master trader and make your money without worrying about the complication associated with trading online.